as of now, you need to have at least 15 gigabytes of space available on your PC, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and your minimum version of Windows should be Windows 7. I'm gonna start with the Windows installation first. So if you have a Mac, you can skip this part and go straight to the Mac installation video. At first, we need to install Java as it's needed to run Android toolchains. Now let's go to Google Chrome and search Download Java for Windows. Let's scroll down to the Java Downloads Oracle link, which will take us to the download page. Select Windows and click on the x64 installer link and save it. Let's open it up and press Yes for administrative options. The installation setup popped up, so let's click on the next button. You can select a different location, but I am going to keep the default one. Click on Next again. Be patient, it may take a few seconds. Now you can close it. The next step will be to open the folder where we have installed Java. And then open the JDK folder. Now let's copy the path of the folder. Use Ctrl+C to copy. We're gonna set up Java_home now. To do this, we need to search for Edit the System Environment Variables and click on Environment Variables. In the System Variables, if you don't already have Java Home, click on New. Write Java_home and paste the path that we copied earlier. Click on this path and then on the Edit option. In the new window, click on New and write $home%\bin. Click on OK, OK again, and OK. Once you're done, you can go ahead and open the command prompt and write the command java-version to check if it can detect Java. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Java.